Welcome, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Soundcore Life P2 with your iPhone. First of all, you have to remove both earbuds from the charging case. And in most cases, they will move to the pairing mode manually. So let's find out how it looks in our case. So let's go for the settings. Let's open the Bluetooth and let's turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, in my case, the right earbud is blinking white, so it means that the pairing mode is enabled, and I can find them on the pairing list. So I can tap on them once, and as you can see, after a few moments I'm successfully connected. So that's the way how you can connect them to your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.